Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're going to continue our tutorials. So we're going to use a tutorial on Holy Forever by Chris Tomlin. So we're using C. This the song is in C, so let's use C. Hope you can see the chord. So we're going to C is simple. You should know your C, F, G, A minor, E minor, and if possible D, but I don't think we're going to use D in this tutorial. D minor in this tutorial. So let's get to it. So let maybe try doing some picking. I'm not so familiar with the verse, so I'll read it whilst I play. 1,000 generations falling down in worship, sing a song of ages to the Lamb. F, yeah. So C, 1,000 generations F, falling down in worship, A minor, G to F. Okay, let's continue. And all gone before us, and all will believe, will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name, so let's stay at F, is the highest. Your name, G, is the greatest. Your name, A minor, stands above them all. Let's go to F. All thrones, let's stay at F, and dominions, all powers, G, and positions. Your A minor stands above them all, and the angels cry. Same F. Oh, G, all creations, E minor. I like this song. Holy, you are lifted high. Holy, holy forever. C. Hear your people. Okay, so then you go to the second verse. So you're just going to sing it just the way we did it. So let's sing the second verse. If you've been forgiven, if you've been redeemed, sing a song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom, if you bear His name, oh, sing a song forever to the Lamb. Oh, sing a song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy, all creations cry, holy, you lifted high, holy forever. And look at the lyrics well. Hear your people sing, holy to the King of Kings. Holy will always be. Holy forever. I think you can play the D minor here. You'll always be. To make it sound more beautiful, I think you can try and fix in chords that sync with the song. So and the angels cry, your creations cry. Sorry, I'm supposed to sing here. And the angels cry, holy, all creations cry, holy, you are lifted high, oh, holy, holy forever. We have not gone to your name is the highest. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. Those were backwards, so you can just try it out. So these are just the chords that I used in my shots, and I think it sounds good. I've not really checked the original chords that the song used, but from hearing, that is what I've gotten. So maybe I think it would be good for you as a beginner and maybe intermediate. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. And even as you sing, your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. Oh, your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy, your creations cry, holy, you lifted high, holy, holy forever. Hear your people sing, holy, to the King of Kings, holy, you'll always be, holy, holy forever. I believe this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Give a like if you like this video, and leave in the comment section if you have any questions and anything that you want me to work on future videos. Thank you. See you next time.